and welcome to Shelly's Sweet and Savory Cooking Show. So today's segment is going to be on the incredible edible egg. So this time I think we're going to fry an egg. A fried egg is delicious. You can eat it al dente, you can eat it a la carte, or you can eat it in a sandwich, whichever you prefer. So what you're going to do is take your egg and crack it gently right over into the skillet, like so. Let's do two, shall we? Just gently crack it right in the skillet, like so, just like that. Let's do a little rinse, shall we? So you have your eggs, they're in the skillet. We're going to fry them. So we'll turn the temperature up a little bit to high. I like to bust the yolk so it'll have an even cook. We've already gently sprayed the pan with a little cooking spray. And so when you do your fried eggs, you can fry them hard, you can fry them soft, or just fry them over medium, whichever you prefer. Okay, so they're cooking gently. So at this point, what I want to do is add a little butter. The butter adds flavor, of course. So like a third of a slice. We'll just put it in here and go around the pan gently. See your eggs sizzling already. Just like that. You know, when you cook, you want to give some love to your food and just be gentle with it. So what we'll do is we'll cook on one side for like a minute, and then we'll let it cook on the other side for like a minute. That is beautiful. Look at that. So at this time, we're going to add a little salt and a little pepper. So we'll do a little pepper. And you know what? We're going to opt out of using the salt today. No salt. But the egg is cooking perfectly. That's exactly how you want it to cook, with it bubbling. You got your butter flavor. You got it bubbling. It is looking perfect. I love eggs. Full of protein. They're good for you. They actually feel good food for me. So we're ready to almost flip. Let's let it sizzle a little bit more. You can move it around gently. It's cooking just like we want it to. It's going to have a nice taste, light and delicious. It's bubbling great. So at this point, what I'm going to do is go ahead and flip it. See how gentle and easy that was? So you got your light brownness right there as it already cooked with your cooking spray and your butter. Cooking to perfection. And as I said before, you can have eggs for breakfast, lunch, for dinner, or you can have it as a light snack. We're going to eat this a la carte today. So a la carte means by itself, individualized. Or like I said, you can make your own sandwich, have a fried egg sandwich. You can put it on top of a burger or a turkey burger. A lot of people eat eggs on burgers. That's like the trend nowadays. So that is looking really good. So we'll get a plate. So we can plate it up when it's ready. And you want to season the other side as well. So we'll just use pepper, no salt today. And at this point, you can turn your temperature down. And it's almost done. That looks great. Okay, so what we're going to do now is take it out of the skillet. And at this point, you can slide it right out. Look. Perfect. Turn your heat off on your stove, as we already did. Put your skillet there. And guess what? It's time for the taste now. A beautiful, fluffy, fried egg. And we're going to do the taste test. Okay. Perfect. That's just right. So there's your fried egg, a delicious fried egg. Quick and simple and took a few minutes. So don't forget to always tune in to Shelly's Sweet and Savory. Like, subscribe, and share. And remember, life is always sweet and savory.